If you have a personal WhatsApp account and a separate business account, or you just want to use two different personal numbers, then you no longer need two separate devices. WhatsApp now allows you to add another account and switch between both accounts within the same WhatsApp app. So before getting started, make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, and to check this, just open App Store on your device. Now click on the search icon and then tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Now if any update is available, then update it right now. Now once the app is updated, click on open option and then click on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Within this section, select account and then click on add account option. Now here you will see an option add account, so just tap on it. Once you tap on it, just click on agree and continue. Now select the country code and then enter the number. After entering, click on next button. Now enter the 6-digit code sent to WhatsApp on other phone, and after entering, it will be automatically logged in. Now once the second account has been added, you can easily switch between both accounts. You just need to tap and hold on U option and you will see the second account you are logged in. So just click on it to switch account. You can just follow the same process whenever you want to switch account. So that's it. If you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.